What's up, everyone? It's Cyrus. I'm just gonna show you some probabilities of what you can do by being efficient and smart rather than being a boring person who works super slow. Uh, Stay tuned. So I click General, Text Replacement, and then I am going to add um, some hotkeys. So CY1. Um, this business I'm working on, you should get involved. Try that one, and then I'm going to add a second one just to test. Do for work. Do you have extra time for more projects? Boom. Right. So these are the two hotkeys I created. You can see I have a lot of them. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just do some traditional things that I do on the phone while I'm watching TV or working from home or whatever it may be. I'm going to, just kind of show you some of the possibilities of what you could do. So, this sort of stuff works for social, it works for doing marketing online. You notice that a lot of the times when you're doing marketing online, you're saying the same phrases to people. Um, you know, you basically are being super inefficient by doing that. And if you can use hotkeys and if you understand your workflow, you know, you can be 20 times more effective than the average person sitting there actually typing everything out. It doesn't make any sense. It's better to contact 100 people and ask for something than to go back and forth and waste a bunch of time with people who aren't ever going to take action. So I'm just kind of showing you some ideas, and hopefully you can take something from this. So I'm getting involved with like an online business, so I'm trying to recruit people. So I have a bunch of DMs set up, and now I can quickly message all these people rather than going through every single one and wasting time. You don't want to waste time. So again, hopefully you can see by now what speed and efficiency could do, rather than I think people make a mistake of caring about quality too much. Quality comes in business with repetition, and repetition allows you to basically create pathways in your brain where you can think and do things better, faster. Um, You know, there's like a million examples of this in life. And hopefully you apply it to your own. So that's pretty much all for today. Um, if you go and you set hotkeys up in your phone, and you couple that with some online marketing, such as fanfinderpro.com, you can do the same thing for yourself, and you can create a pipeline where you can get in front of, I just sent out, 20 to 30 messages just on this one platform. I have the same thing going on Instagram and other networks. I'm using the same thing on, you can use it on social apps like dating. You could use it anywhere where you kind of know the flow of the conversation and the way it should go. You should be applying this to your life. So that's it for today. I will talk to you soon.